A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 33. There is another way of looking at the world. Today's idea is an attempt to recognize that you can shift your perception of the world in both its outer and inner aspects. A full 5 minutes should be devoted to the morning and evening applications. In these practice periods, the idea should be repeated as often as you find comfortable, though unhurried applications are essential. Alternate between surveying your inner and outer perceptions, but without an abrupt sense of shifting. Merely glance casually around the world you perceive as outside yourself, then close your eyes and survey your inner thoughts with equal casualness. Try to remain equally uninvolved in both, and to maintain this detachment as you repeat the idea throughout the day. The shorter exercise periods should be as frequent as possible. Specific applications of today's idea should also be made immediately when any situation arises which tempts you to become disturbed. For these applications, say, "There is another way of looking at this." Now, look about you. Glance casually around the world you perceive, outside yourself, and repeat the idea. There is another way of looking at the world. And close your eyes and survey your inner world while repeating the idea. There is another way of looking at the world. Continue on for the next several minutes, shifting between your inner and outer worlds, casually repeating the idea to yourself. There is another way of looking at the world. I am not the victim of the world I see, because I invented the world I see. There is another way of looking at the world. God is in everything I see, because God is in my mind. There is another way of looking at this. I have invented the world I see. There is another way of looking at the world. Continue shifting between your inner and outer worlds for another 60 seconds or so. Okay. This concludes Lesson 33. Remember to revisit this exercise one more time this evening before the end of the day. And remember to apply today's idea the instant you are aware of distress. It may be necessary to take a minute or so to sit quietly and repeat the idea to yourself several times. Closing your eyes will probably help in this form of application.